Hello guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Hello guys, today I am out with my new video about how to get a free legendary item. So this is very easy trick, but there are some permissions. So first of all is that you should have at least 2000 silver fragments. Then only this trick will work. If you don't have 2000 silver fragments, you earn it and then do it. So what we have to do? So see, this premium crate is there. So see, here it is written time limited crate 12 days and guaranteed to drop a legendary item during first 10 draws. So when this crate will refresh and there will be time limited crate for 20 days, then what we will do? We will go in redeem, and every day you have to collect five premium crate coupon. So like this, by collecting 5 premium crate coupon every day for 20 days, so it will need approximate 20,000 silver fragments, 2,000 silver fragments, my mistake. So afterwards, when you will collect that, there will be 10 premium crates, and every day you have to collect 5. And when there will be 10 premium crates, you have to just open this and it will give a free legendary item. Now today this is my 10th crate. So let's see today what we will get. I want this Arctic Hunter M416. Please, I want it. So let's see what we will get. Let's comment. So, oh no, I had this already. Okay, I have this. See guys, check it. I have this. What is happening? See guys, 2-2. I need to dismantle it. And I am getting just 70. Guys, what is this? You know guys, see. My friends are getting. See, my friends what they are getting. What I will say. See guys, they are getting this legendary suit, helmet, 2 at once. I'm not getting just a single thing. Now I will show you my all PUBG gun skins. So let's start with AR. I have 3 gun skins of Scarel, 1 of M4, Groza, M762, and done. Now bolt action. I have this legendary skin of MP4 and currently 2 skins. Then here I don't have a single. SMG I have UMP45 skin, Thompson skin, and it's all. In shotgun I don't have anything. Light machine I have DP skin. In pistol I have P1911 skin. Melee no. Guys, so thank you, and this was all for today. And while you are doing crate opening, I hope you will get a nice item. Thank you for now. Bye. Please like and subscribe my channel.